Odega, Jackson, Kibera Mika, Kibera Mika Jackson. Kibera Meza, tafadhali Jackson, Kibera Meza, Diosio, tunaweza keti
in delivery, making sure we have attained what we promised the people of peace. Kwa hivyo Sabasa again, I'm happy what the new town sector, you don't do what the law requires of you, you'll definitely act. But then it's not only that I'll affirm you as the word, the council. The only one weakness within, which I don't expect to see from, that's not what we are going to learn to avoid, you have a problem with us. One problem is weakness. When he was under pressure, he always switch off his phone. I look for him the whole day. I don't expect that one to be. Even when ESC, I'm happy the team from ESC is sitting here. Even when ESC is looking for you, just obey yourself. They're not going to kill you. Him, when you hear ESC, they are around the corner. You will find him in South of Uganda. This thing, they are lonely. After jail appear, one of my chief officers, the day that he entered, the first day he entered the office, he slept in prison. This is the future not for him. But I'm happy, again, I promise, I've directed that the deputy governor, you will organize this gentleman with the coordinate of all the other departments of the council to make kwa hivyo nguvu yangu iko tu, lakini pombe haziagrii ndio ndio kupata pombe. One of the reasons why I'm a governor is to lead the people, to lead the enforcement, and make sure the farm is their strong. I want to direct that there will be changes. There were changes this week, there will be changes. If you get yourself in the new alignment, please find a time. When you need to do it, and when I will utendelea kwenye time. Asante. For the new count section, this is important for you. You know, you have a name, assembly. I didn't even know I was giving this a problem. And I'm told you are good friends. What I want to say is this: forget anything else. You have given you a responsibility, and the responsibility is to serve the people of the 45 wards. Your office is tempting. There is a lot of temptation. One transferring people from one department to another. There is people who want favors, and those favors, they come with goodies, and Vitalo and Pome. I don't want to say what happened before another person resigned in receiving bribes. We will not allow it. We campaign on a platform of zero corruption and we hold on those bases. Therefore, you better know all these people by names. Najua comes Director 9, your name into the government. The good thing you come into office, I want to tell you today, Tuesday, you'll be signing an MOU with KCE of 35 million, which they have advanced to us for vocational training centers. Actually today, you'll be signing an MOU with the SWARE program, and that's why I wanted the MCS thank you. You extended the city. Now today that I have a new town secretary, they did not want MOUs acting. They wanted substantive. council. We're going to sign an MOU, which is here, of 189 million for the separation machines we were given by Sweden team. Kwa hivyo umeanza na kishindo kikubwa. You are the big man here. Of course, I know you've given a vehicle, but it is not new, it's some sound, mechanical sound. Therefore, you'll be, that's a, wakati mafunzo hayakaweka, lakini sasa unabidi unapeleka a vehicle for purpose running the business program. Kwa hivyo wewe ingia ndani ya mjengo unafanya kazi. Good people, nothing is easy as it looks. Everything takes longer than we expect. And if anything can go wrong, it will at the worst possible moment. For the time being, nothing has gone wrong. We will be there. Even for those who are set in their own person, the way will shake their formation. When we are tightening the belt, there are those ones who are missing. I'm very receiving for the information for this morning. I'm not going to break. I'm not going to sleep. We will believe. I'm just asking. If I am not stealing, who are you to steal? If I am not asking for bribes, who are you to ask for bribes? The glaring areas, I can assure you. We blame the past regime on wrong things. There are groups of people who have decided they must take us back there. Hatucheki na wao, tutaanguka na wao. That's right. There are people who have decided, and I'm happy to see their team from finance. The CFO, the minister. I'm sure that you guys will be trained by the session. Therefore, I make sure the people from national station, they are here for all week, and they've done some good work. I don't expect these contractors to follow me that they're not being paid because of issues. Now, going forward, the government has come with a new system coming. On multi-law projects, there will be no supply of air, there will be no roads which are not done that will be paid. Well, I hope for contractors that are very forgiving, for those who are going to be paid, you will be paid your money. For those who don't work, you will be paid. Probably next week, all payments will be done. Most of those who are done. Is it the CFO? Yes. I know these people that have been taken the course of the new process. And the learning is a continuous process. Kwa hivyo, nataka niseme kwamba for the office of the county secretary is tempting. Actually, I've not had anything of him of asking for a bribe. I'm not. You know, I was making a joke, just see. I was making a joke with the speaker, my deputy, and the leadership here. You know, you come like a county like this one as a government, then you look at very beautiful ladies who are there. Am I the one doing it? Was I the one there? Am I the first person looking at them? No. They have been seen by other people. They have been watching. Therefore, I don't expect immorality is something forbidden in my administration. So I can see here that you must advance sexual favors for you to do something. You utafanya kingine sio hata fisi ambaye ni mrefu hakuwahi ni mahali anaishi. Tunaona ile ninaungua ile kimulese ile ndio ndio wapi What do you do? Kuja hapa karibu na bwana. Liga bwana. Na sisi tunahakikisha kwamba the only thing we used to come here.
The former secretary, Mr. Vasa, Your Excellency, if you look at him, he is very healthy and smart. So we have done a lot behind the curtain. Something we go together. Number two, Your Excellency, to join you in congratulating us for the new role. We wish you all the best.
Kwa hiyo mambo ya ukabila nyingi tupoteze, tuachane nayo. Going forward few positions again, I want to say this. I've looked for, and I'm looking for, I want to announce here, people who will recruit to be chief officers. But particularly this is reserved for women, because men I have enough. And the good thing for my officers, for those ones who know very well they are under discipline watch. Please, instead of you waiting until you are dismissed, after that you resign, you will a leader. By the time you are dismissing you, now you take them to your other league, you want a disciplined baby. If I listen myself as a governor, you can imagine how ugly our country will be. I'm ready to walk the time. What we kutoka wengine contractors are saying there are more contracts. I'm sure you will see them within our police. I've refused direct contracts because sasa kwa vile sema ile kazi yake dada yake no hapana. We be competitive. Kama inawezekana kwa contractors tafadhali tunaendelea hands kama unapendana bid for get and do it. And we are ready to do that. For my good officers, tafadhali. Na ndio kuna ofisa mmoja alikuwa anaambia one of my person here, tafadhali ambia government